In this video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from Bybit to Bitget. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Bybit, and then you want to go ahead and select on this option that does say send. So from here, you want to go ahead and select on the network that you're going to be working with. Now for this video, I'm just going to be working with the Solana network for clarity purposes. And now I'm going to go ahead and select on USDT just like so. It is now going to give us an option that does look like this. And from here, what we need to do is we need to enter in the Bitget wallet address over here. And you want to make sure that it is on the correct network. So recall that we were working with Solana throughout this video. So you want to make sure you get your Bitget Solana USDT wallet, and then you want to go ahead and paste it in here. Now, guys, when it comes to working with crypto in general, you always want to make sure that the crypto address is 1000% correctly, because if even one character is off, then you could be sending crypto to the wrong address, and then you won't be able to recover your crypto. So it's really important that you go ahead and use the correct address. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on next, and then after that, it is going to ask you to confirm the transaction, and it might make you do some verification as well by sending like a code to your Gmail address or something like that. But all you want to do is just follow the instructions, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.